day, everyone. Welcome to the crypto lens. So, let's do a quick recap on the stuff that we discussed last week. Today it's a Sunday. So, let's get on with it. So, on this weekly analysis, we'll be looking at Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, and Parachain. So, if we can have a quick recap, we can quickly start with Bitcoin. Okay, on this one, we didn't really have an impulse move. On on the previous video, we were still on these levels, so it looks like we're still having some consolidation there. Let's just quickly add a an RSI just to check for buying opportunities. All right. Uh, that's on the daily. It's still not, doesn't show for a buy signal. Let me go for the 4-hour one. Uh, okay, so what we're looking for, what's below 20%, which is somewhere here. Not below 20%, but around 20%. Let's say 25%. Let me just make a line here. It's a horizontal line. There you go. Yeah. Let me just pull it back just to show you what we're looking for. The reason why I say we're looking for around 25% on the RSI for buy entries is that, as you can see here, when it hit 25%, we got this move going up there. So even right now, I wouldn't advise anyone to go into a buy. Uh, let's just wait for it to be within the zones. 29%, let's just say if below 30%, 30% to 25%, that's where I'd look for buy opportunities. uh, so right now what we're having from Bitcoin is just consolidation. We're not really having any impulse moves. I'm expecting it to push to the 131,000 USD levels, but we're still consolidating for this past days. So maybe in the coming week we'll get an impulse move going up, because we can see on the RSI we got this move going down, then we're getting some consolidation. So we are going down. Let's go to the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, it's still not oversold. It's still climbing up. So we must wait for the hourly to finish its cycle for it to come back to these levels here. But even on the hourly, you can see here was a good entry to hold a buy. So what I'm seeing here, it's still a bullish market. So let's just wait for the coming week to see how it unfolds. Uh, what now? All right, so that's Bitcoin. Let's move on to Solana. Solana, on the previous week, we were on the 174 levels, which is somewhere here. And I did say that we are pushing higher. Right now it's still bullish. You can see from 174 to 182. That's a seven USD push up. So what I'm seeing here, let me show you something. Is it Solana? Yeah, I think it's Solana. Uh, uh, yeah. Let me see something of the Fibonacci channel. My tools are a bit slow. Oh dear. My tools are a bit slow. I don't know why it's not popping up. Okay, it's fine. Let me just stick to my trend lines. Uh, where's the trend line? Alright. So I would say from here. Oh dear, what's happening with my lines? Log. Alright, it's fine. I think I'll sort it out on another time. Alright, so on this one, we still didn't get a lot of moves on this one, but yeah, we're still pushing higher. So our next level to break out is the 200 level, 211, 206, somewhere there. So if we break above this level, then we should find some support there. Then if we fall back, we will fall back to the 165 levels to try push it up. So that's that. Then let's move on to Ethereum. Uh, let me do this. There is Ethereum. Ethereum is very strong right now. This is a very strong move going up. So we broke this level here. On the previous video, we were on the uh, 3295 level. Now we're on 355. That's like a 200 USD move. It's very impressive. But I think the next level for it to test this 4061 USD level, then maybe it will drop back to the support and push higher after that. So I did say that the move that I'm expecting is for it to push higher there. We had that. It's on the daily chart. Let me, something weird is happening with my tools today, but let me work with what I have. Mm, let me go to the weekly. Uh, so this is the weekly chart. I wonder if the Fibonacci channel is gonna work on this one. Not really what I want, but maybe from this point going to this point. Dear, there's something wrong with my tools today. Something wrong with my tools, but anyway, let me just continue. For buy opportunities, it's also the same thing. Let's look at the RSI. It was bought here, then it's still pushing up, so just gonna wait for it to be oversold, then wait for buy opportunities on these levels here. You can see all the guys, this thing is just straightforward. You wait for the RSI to tell you when to buy. You look on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. It's just pure price action. You see, even there was a buy. Then there it was oversold, telling you that it's gonna crash coming down. Then there was another buy opportunity, so we're still pushing up higher. So you can see it's oversold. Don't go into it now. Uh, yeah, you might get your fingers chopped off. So we have to wait for it to be uh, uh, on these levels here, so we can go in again. So that's Ethereum. Still, we're still anticipating for this move. Let me go for the 4 hourly. 4 hourly. Let me zoom out. Is that all I can zoom out? Okay, the daily is fine. But even on the 4 hourly one, you can see it's about to be oversold. So we have to wait for it to come to this area here. Then that's when we can see the bulls go in to push it higher. Then let's go to Parachain. Parachain is also strong. Last week we were on this levels here on the $2.03. Now $2.32. Now we're on $2.37. So even if that's still bullish, oh, we got an impulse there. You see, we got an impulse, but I would have loved for it to get to these levels here on the RSI. But yeah, we had that breakout there, and we did say that this will be a support, and there it is happening. It's a support. Remember on the previous video, we had this breakout. Then I said it must come down to this previous resistance that will now become the support. We did have that. So right now looks like we're heading up, but I'm looking for this levels on the RSI whereby the bulls should go in to push it higher, but we did have impulse going up on the is it on the 50% on the RSI it went up, but yeah, for me I'm looking at this levels here for good entry. So even it on this coming week we should be seeing it going higher and higher. My projection on this one, it's the $3 mark. $3 mark. Hopefully we should get to this level here by the end of October or early November. That's what I'm seeing. So yeah, this is just a quick overview on the crypto pairs. So yeah, uh, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and let's see on the next weekly update what happens.